Today let's learn how to make this collar for a V-neck sweater. Right now I have a sweater with a V-neck opening, and I've just picked up stitches around the entire neck opening, and in my case I'm going to do a 2x2 rib so it matches the cuffs of my sweater. So I've picked up here in multiples of 4 plus 2, but this works in any whatever cuff pattern or neckline pattern you want to use. You can do this mitered center trim. So as I said, I picked up one round of stitches, and I'm going to be placing a marker here for the beginning of round because I will be working in the round. And the trick with this particular collar is that the stitches on either side of this marker are going to start, we're going to make sure we start with knit stitches. So again, in my case, I'm going to be doing a 2x2 rib. I've got 2 knit stitches first, and I'm going to work my way around, and my last two stitches are also going to be knit stitches. And after I've picked up my first round of stitches, which I've just done, my very first round is going to be in the pattern that I've selected, which is a 2x2 rib, and I'm not going to do any decreases. Once I've knit that very first round in pattern, then we will do a decrease round. So I'm just going to knit around in my 2x2 rib. Now that we're getting to the end of our first round, where we've just worked one round in the collar pattern that you want to use, in my case it was 2x2 ribbing, my next round is going to be the decrease round, and we're going to alternate these two rounds as we continue making this neck collar about, I don't know, maybe an inch or an inch and a half deep. So the next round is a decrease round. We're going to slip that marker, and then we're going to immediately work an SSK. An SSK, which is a decrease of 1 stitch on this side, and then we're going to work around and then do a knit 2 together with the last 2 stitches on the right side of the marker. An SSK is just slip the first 2 stitches knitwise, come in with the left hand needle through the front of those 2 stitches, and knit those 2 stitches through the back. And that is an SSK. Now we're going to continue around the row in our established pattern until we get to, like I said, the last 2 stitches of this decrease round, and we're going to work a knit 2 together over there. Now we're at the end of this round, and we're going to do a knit 2 together on the last 2 stitches of this round. Knit 2 together is just slipping your right hand needle in both of those stitches knitwise, and you're going to knit those 2 together. And then, like I said, we're just going to repeat those 2 rounds. This next round I'm doing is going to be without any decreases, and it'll just be in my ribbing pattern. And then the second round will be another decrease round. And even though the stitches right now, because I was doing a 2x2 rib, that my next round has only 1 knit stitch, and then 2x2 as it is normally, I'm still going to do the same SSK on the left side of this beginning of round marker, and a knit 2 together on the last 2 stitches here on the right side of the marker.